since you started recording?
Marco, no.
No. Not slide out.
It's a good plan. It's going to be muddy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You doing how many? One lap?
I think too.
Wow. It's going to be a long race today, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, go get them.
Okay, I've got 9 on the line, 11, 14, 7, 14, 9. 2 laps, guys.
2 laps. What's the plan today?
We want a 6 hour up in
maintain position till the
our first one we ever entered. We won it. Well, 3-man team.
gain.
And then go for it. Ride as hard as you can. You don't want to fasten your seatbelt? You're not going to fasten your seatbelt?
No, it actually broke when I accidentally stepped on it.
Be careful.
Good job, Jared. One more lap, buddy. Make it strong.
One more. Go. No, don't film me. Don't film me.
It's too late.
Hi, I'm Jim Wannamaker. I'm the Sales and Marketing Director for KMC Chain out of Laverne, California. KMC's been in business for about 35 years. We make bicycle chains, motorcycle chains, industrial chains. I represent the bicycle division at events. I go around the country. I do numerous mountain bike races, some road bike races, BMX races, cross racing. We have some of the best chains on the market. Our X-Series chains are easy to distinguish. You can see I'm wearing a shirt that has the X across the side plate. That adds a little bit of strength and durability and prevents the chain from stretching. We also have chains that have the lightest weight on the market because we have hollow pins, hollow inner and hollow outer plates, and that reduces weight and to some extent helps shed mud a lot better. And on a day like today where it's rainy and muddy out here, the super light chains shed a lot of mud. So, thank you.
Down in the middle of the field.
How'd the race go, Marco?
Yeah, good ride.
Pretty crappy.
Crappy race.
My bike was not liking the mud.
You need a new bike, huh?
No, it was good. It was making bad noises. And I just not like that.
The mud does to it.
And I crashed and I cut open my leg, but it's so covered in mud that I just can't feel it.
You can't even think straight, can you? All right, go get cleaned up.
So much.
How was the race? How was the race?
She's coming. Really muddy.
That sums it up. All right.
Off the race on a new drop train.
You look pretty there,
Yeah.
standing there.
Oh, pretty good borrowing this soccer youth jersey off, isn't it? It's pretty good.
You gonna go do a road ride maybe?
Yeah.
Ride on the golf course?
Yeah. It's a good idea. Ride back to my grandma's house.
You could just ride the granite side.
Yeah.
It's probably not messy.
Nah. Probably in good shape.
No?
I
All
might do
right.
it. I'm gonna go through the tunnel.
It's probably flooded.
Yeah, it is. It's knee deep when I went in it earlier.
You look too clean to have raced.
Oh yeah.